Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're unlocking the keys to take your organization's protection to the next level. Ever wondered how leading cybersecurity organizations continuously get better? It's not just about new tech. There's a cycle of learning hidden in plain sight. Today we're going to unravel those hidden keys, focusing on how operational activities, collaboration, and reflection drive serious improvements in your cybersecurity. But before we dive in, think about this. How often do you truly learn from what you do every day? Stick around, and we'll reveal how to turn your daily operations into your greatest source of security strength. Ready to uncover these insights? Improvements in cybersecurity aren't always the result of big projects. Often, they're born from the rhythm of our daily work. Improvements are identified from the execution of operational processes, procedures, and activities. But how do we actually see those potential improvements in the middle of our busy days? Are we really capturing the moments where things could be better? What small tweaks in our routine could lead to big security wins? Keep that thought simmering as we move on. We're not alone in the fight against cyber threats. Our vendors and partners see things we might miss. Conduct collaborative lessons learned sessions with vendors. But how do we make these collaborative sessions truly effective? What kind of questions should we be asking? What are they learning that could benefit us, and vice versa? The full picture of this shared learning will come into focus later. We often have policies and procedures in place, but are they truly living documents? Annually review cybersecurity policies, processes, and procedures to account for lessons learned. An annual review sounds good on paper. But how do we ensure we're actually incorporating what we've learned throughout the year? What are the key indicators that our policies are evolving and getting stronger? Hold on to that thought. We're building towards the answer. Data tells a story, but are we listening closely enough to what our security metrics are saying? Use metrics to evaluate operational cybersecurity performance over time. We collect data, but how do we transform those numbers into actionable insights for improvement? What are the key metrics that truly reveal our operational cybersecurity performance over time? The answer to how this data illuminates our path forward is coming up. So what's the hidden key to leveling up your cybersecurity? It's this continuous cycle, learning from our daily operations, actively collaborating with our vendors, reflecting annually on our policies, and crucially, using metrics to guide our way forward. By paying attention to the small lessons in our daily tasks, by engaging in meaningful learning sessions with our partners, by making our annual reviews a true engine for change, and by letting our security metrics illuminate our path, we unlock a powerful engine for continuous improvement. Are you starting to see how these seemingly separate activities are interconnected? If this has given you a new perspective, please hit that like button. And if you want to unlock more insights and strategies to master cybersecurity, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. What's one operational activity you think holds hidden potential for improvement in your cybersecurity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for exploring these hidden keys with me. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you need anything else.